Low wind, distant rumble, breath textures, whisper layers. Ẹmi Ẹmi, can you hear me? I felt something older than my name, watching me waiting. I was walking through a silent night with a soul that didn't feel right, like I left a part of me behind, in a place I could not find. Every shadow knew my fear, every silence pulled me near. I was searching for a sign from a world beyond my mind. So I called softly, didn't know their names, but something hurt me just the same. And I called the sky down, spoke to the winds, let my voice be known. And I felt him get there, not alone. I was never alone. Now I stand where they found me, feel their breath all around me. I was lost in the dark below, till I called and they came close, stroking cold. Well, there was fire beneath my skin, like a war I couldn't win. Every doubt became a door to a place I feared before. So I fell into the ground, let the silence take me down. And I said without a sound, if you're there, then find me now. And I stopped running, fell to my knees, opened my spirit to what I couldn't see. And I called the sky down, spoke to the depths, let my spirit cry. And I felt an answer in the wind, in the fire inside. Now I breathe like I'm chosen, not afraid, not broken. I was lost, but they pulled me through. When I called, they came into view. This is the soul of the raptors. Let me, I wanna go where me orun sokale. I want pain ego. Watching new olumin so my new repetitions. Arun shile ba. I want to be a wabawa. Structure this like a loop ritual. No, I'm not empty. I feel finished. Yeah, I become something that walks with the unseen light. Now I breathe with the heavens. I am held with you that I'm guided. I was lost, but I found my throne. The night I called the sky down, the sky down. The sky down. The sky. Return to. I didn't rise alone. They were always there in me. Ẹmi